Welcome to Shift Zone, the place where we dive deep into the machines that move our world forward, exploring new cars with honest detail, real-world perspective, and a passion for innovation. Today on Shift Zone, we are taking a close and immersive look at the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt, a car that represents a fresh chapter for a familiar name and aims to redefine expectations in the compact sedan segment. The 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt arrives with a design that immediately signals evolution rather than revolution, yet the changes are meaningful and well thought out. The front fascia feels more confident, with a sharper grille design, sleeker headlights, and a stronger overall stance that gives the car a more premium road presence than earlier generations. Chevrolet has clearly focused on aerodynamics and visual balance, resulting in smoother body lines that not only look modern but also contribute to improved efficiency. The proportions feel just right for urban driving while still maintaining the solid, planted look that sedan buyers appreciate. From the side, the 2026 Cobalt showcases refined character lines that add depth without appearing overstyled. The wheel arches are subtly pronounced, giving the car a sportier feel, especially when paired with the newly designed alloy wheels offered on higher trims. At the rear, updated LED tail lights and a cleaner bumper design bring the look together in a way that feels contemporary and cohesive. This is a car designed to appeal to a wide audience, from young professionals to small families, without trying too hard to be something it's not. Step inside the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt, and the improvements become even more noticeable. Chevrolet has clearly invested time into making the cabin feel more refined, practical, and comfortable. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused, with better material quality than previous versions. Soft touch surfaces in key areas, improved fit and finish, and a more modern design language elevate the overall experience. Even at first glance, the interior feels like it belongs to a higher segment than before. The infotainment system is one of the highlights of the new Cobalt. A larger touchscreen display takes center stage, offering a responsive and intuitive interface. Smartphone connectivity, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, is seamlessly integrated, making daily commutes and long drives more convenient. The digital instrument cluster, available on select trims, provides clear and customizable information, ensuring the driver always has essential data within easy view. Physical buttons are still present for important functions, which is a welcome choice for ease of use while driving. Comfort has been a strong focus for the 2026 model. The seats are redesigned with better cushioning and support, making long journeys less tiring. Rear seat passengers benefit from improved legroom and headroom, which is especially important in this segment. The cabin layout maximizes space efficiently, and clever storage solutions make the car practical for everyday use. Whether it's grocery runs, office commutes, or weekend trips, the Cobalt feels ready to handle it all. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt is expected to offer refined engine options that balance performance and fuel efficiency. Chevrolet's goal here is not outright speed, but smooth, reliable power delivery that suits daily driving conditions. The engine feels responsive in city traffic while remaining composed on highways. Improved tuning ensures reduced vibrations and noise, contributing to a quieter and more comfortable cabin experience. Fuel efficiency is another area where the new Cobalt aims to impress. With advancements in engine technology and improved aerodynamics, the 2026 model delivers better mileage than its predecessors. This makes it an appealing option for buyers who want to keep running costs low without sacrificing comfort or performance. In markets where fuel economy is a major deciding factor, the Cobalt positions itself as a smart and sensible choice. Driving dynamics have also seen noticeable improvements. The suspension setup is tuned to handle rough roads with confidence while maintaining stability at higher speeds. Steering feels light and predictable, making city driving and parking easy, yet it firms up nicely on highways to provide better control. The braking system is responsive and reassuring, adding to the overall sense of safety and confidence behind the wheel. Safety is a key priority for the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt, and the car comes equipped with a comprehensive set of features designed to protect both passengers and pedestrians. Standard safety equipment includes multiple airbags, ABS with electronic brake force distribution, traction control, and stability control. Higher trims are expected to offer advanced driver assistance features such as lane departure warning, forward collision alert, and rear parking sensors, enhancing overall safety and peace of mind. Chevrolet has also paid attention to build quality and structural integrity, ensuring the Cobalt meets modern safety standards across global markets. The body structure is reinforced in critical areas, helping absorb impact energy more effectively in the event of a collision. This focus on safety makes the Cobalt a reassuring option for families and first-time car buyers alike. One of the most important aspects of the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt is its value proposition. Chevrolet understands that buyers in this segment are looking for a balance between affordability, features, and long-term reliability. The Cobalt delivers a strong feature list at a competitive price point, making it an attractive alternative to other compact sedans on the market. Low maintenance costs and Chevrolet's established service network further add to its appeal. In terms of global relevance, the 2026 Cobalt is designed to suit a wide range of markets with varying road conditions and customer expectations. Its robust engineering, efficient powertrain, and practical design make it well suited for developing markets as well as more mature automotive regions. This adaptability is one of the reasons the Cobalt name continues to resonate with buyers around the world. The 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt may not be the flashiest car on the road, but it doesn't need to be. Its strength lies in its well-rounded nature, offering dependable performance, modern features, improved comfort, and strong value for money. It represents Chevrolet's commitment to refining a proven formula rather than chasing trends, resulting in a car that feels honest, capable, and thoughtfully designed. For drivers who want a reliable daily companion that looks modern, feels comfortable, and doesn't break the bank, the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt makes a compelling case. It carries forward a familiar name while embracing meaningful upgrades that matter in real-world use. As the automotive landscape continues to evolve, the Cobalt stands as a reminder that simplicity, when executed well, can still be a powerful selling point. This is the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt, reimagined for today's roads and tomorrow's expectations, and a car that proves everyday driving can still feel satisfying and confident.